Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to add maps and resources. We are going to add new offline maps or regions and TTS voice output for an easy navigation experience. Let's begin by clicking the menu button located in the bottom left corner, and selecting the Maps and Resources menu. As you can see, this is the free version of Osmand that will only allow us to download 7 free maps and updates. Later on we will get to Osmand Plus, which is the paid version of this app, where there is no download limit. First of all, I am going to download from the voice prompt menu, the English voice. You can choose whatever voice you like, depending on your preferences and country. Let's go back to the previous menu and select the region and country where you are located. Standard Map provides an overview of the area based on the OpenStreetMap source and contains a map, routes, addresses, points of interest, and public transportation information. Roads Only Maps contains only road grid information to focus on routes and road infrastructure. By removing details such as buildings and points of interest, it is smaller than a standard map. Following features can be used only when buying a Pro subscription and activating some plugins that we are going to talk a bit later on. Contour lines. A map containing contour elevation lines to visualize the terrain, Wikipedia. Vector map with geopositioned Wikipedia articles about landmarks or additional information about places, terrain map, 3D. Three-dimensional representation of the terrain for a better understanding of your surroundings, weather forecast. Weather information on a map for easy route planning. Downloading a new map is easy. There are 2 ways to download a new map. First method is to select the country and select the map you need. Standard or roads only, and after the download is complete, you will see the new downloaded map in green. Second method to download a new map is to simply select on the map the country you want to download, hit the download button, and after the new map is downloaded, it will turn to green. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you on the next one.